Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to mirror iPhone to a TV. If you want to display your iPhone screen to a TV, follow the step below to mirror your iPhone quickly and easily. So firstly, if your TV supports Apple AirPlay 2, this is the easiest method. You need to connect your iPhone and TV to the same Wi-Fi network and make sure your Wi-Fi is on. You need to swipe up in the top right corner and here turn on your Wi-Fi and you need to open to your notification setting in the top right. Simply swipe down. You need to select this screen mirroring. From here you'll get a devices. You need to select your TV from this devices, and if a passcode appears on your TV, you need to enter it on your iPhone and your iPhone screen will now appear on your TV. And that is it. Whether you use AirPlay or screen mirroring app, you can easily mirror your iPhone to your TV and enjoy your photos, videos, games and presentations. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.